Welcome to the GEM video training series. My name is Yana Latovsky and I'm the Data Team Supervisor. In this video, I will explain what it means if we ask your national team to conduct an APS pilot. After being approved for APS data collection, a national team may be asked or may choose to conduct an APS pilot before the main phase of sampling begins. This allows GEM to detect errors in sampling, data collection, or data recording, and it allows the national team to correct these errors before data collection continues. Absolutely all new teams will be asked to run a pilot. Teams returning after 3 years or more of not participating in GEM, and teams with new survey vendors or new sampling methodology will also be asked to run a pilot. Additionally, a team may be required to conduct a pilot if they had significant and problematic data quality issues in the previous year of participation. Such problems may include extensive missing data, errors in formatting or data recording, or an age-gender sample distribution that was unrepresentative of the national population. In this case, in addition to the pilot, we may also ask a team to monitor their sample at various points throughout data collection. So what does it mean to conduct an APS pilot? It means that a team, once approved for data collection, will begin sampling using the proposed methodology, and then stop after 100 or 200 respondents have been surveyed. The national team must then submit the results to the GEM data team and wait for feedback before continuing data collection. At this point, we require that the data be submitted to us in the exact same format that will be used to submit the final APS results. This means you must use the designated SPSS data input template and follow all the formatting requirements. The only exception is that it is not necessary to translate the responses to the open-ended questions or to provide weight values at this initial stage. Once the pilot results are submitted, the national team must wait for feedback from GEM before continuing with any more data collection. The data team will review your pilot results as quickly as possible, usually in 1 to 3 days. We will run the same quality checks that we do on all submitted APS datasets. This includes checking that the skip logic flow is working correctly, meaning that all questions were asked and to the right respondents, that the answer values are all correctly recorded, meaning that if a question requires a response between 1 and 100, for example, there are no answers outside of that range, and looking at all other minor and major formatting issues. We will also check the age-gender distribution to compare it to the ideal sample that we would expect based on the national population. Of course, in most cases, 100 or so respondents cannot allow us to determine if there are any problems in the methodology, which may compromise the final sample. So this will be presented just as an early indication for the team to monitor. Any problems will then be summarized and sent to the team in a new worksheet in their APS survey report. Once the review is received, the national team must confirm that all the issues will be addressed in the remainder of data collection. If there are no or few problems, the team can incorporate their pilot cases into the final sample. So if 100 cases are collected, you will only need to collect 1,900 more to achieve the 2,000 person minimum. If there are any critical problems, such as missing data or indications of incorrectly implemented sampling methodology, the national team will have to discard the collected data and begin sampling from zero, making whatever adjustments are necessary to avoid the same errors. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training video. Hopefully, this helps you better understand APS pilot data collection and how it benefits your team. If you have any questions, please contact me or the data team and we will be happy to help.